Okay, so we're using this player to show examples of our course. Alright, go.
Down your grandmother's stairway, made a caviar pate you were eating like your airway. Hey, your man never deliver the Heimlich with Donna. May this make you vomit on your Dolce Gabbana. May your wife's worry face show a horrific expression. May you realize she's not worried, that's just Botox injections. May all the commotion cause to crash, shed leer, propelling to your rear, shop diamonds from the beers. May your Ferrari break down, may your chauffeur get high and smash up your stretch rolls up on Rodeo Drive. Off to the breaking back to others where you got all your bucks. Till we make the revolution, I just hope your life sucks. All my people in the place, throw your fist in the air. All my down motherfuckers, get up out of your chairs. All my real down people, we got love for you here. Except for that motherfucker right there. Get up! Champagne not bubble, may your Pinot be sour. May that white stuff you snorting be 96% flour. May the famous rapper you bring to your daughter's sweet 16 get some pride and walk out as if born with a spleen. May the death squad you high, be bad with instructions, and by mistake be at your mansion with the street sweepers busting. May this make your party guests forsake their white Russians and die behind a Jimmy Martin crying and cussing. May your chef be all pissing in the biscuit in the kitchen. May I assume your autobiography is filed in the fiction, cause I'm the breaking back to others where you got all your cash. Till we make the revolution, I hope your life sucks ass. All my people in the place, throw your fist in the air. All my down motherfuckers, get up out of your chairs. All my real down people, we got love for you here. Except for that motherfucker right there. Get up! Motherfuckers, get up out of your chairs. All my real down people, we got love for you here. Except for that motherfucker right